Ready to take your profile enrichment to the next level? Let me introduce you to profile enrichment forms. Assuming you have an Eloqua known visitor watching your video, you can use profile enrichment forms to get more data from your visitor. Profile enrichment forms seamlessly integrates with your video platform in Eloqua, allowing you to gather additional profile data from the viewer. The form will be displayed to the Eloqua known contacts who are watching your video. This means you can gather essential information from visitors to enrich their profile. Using profile enrichment forms can increase conversion rates significantly. Here's an example how profile enrichment can work. Assuming you have an Eloqua known visitor, or you've used the video lead generation form, you now can ask on subsequent videos for additional information. So let's say video 2. You want to ask for first name and last name. They watch the video, and then they have a second video they can watch at a later date or at the same time. On the second video, you can ask for their company and their job title. Subsequent videos, video 4 or video 5, can ask for a company size, industry, or the key problem they're trying to resolve. By gathering this information, you get key data points needed to increase lead scoring and lead nurturing effectiveness. Consider integrating profile-enriched forms into your video and maximizing your lead generation efforts. Follow us on how to get more value from your enterprise marketing tech stack and click the link in our bio to get more details on using Eloqua video landing pages.